Hey YouTubers, Muskrat Jim here. Well, today is March 1st and we're getting some more snow. We probably got about 6 inches, I would say. So that's like 15 centimeters. And it's still coming down. They're saying we could get another, I don't know, another 10 centimeters. So another, I don't know, another 4 inches or so. Anyway, we're here at the shelter and brought my stove and a bunch of ingredients, and I'm going to make up a big pan of paella. So stay tuned. Well, as you can see, our last storm gave us another bit of snow. There's a bunch in there too. So I'm going to dig that out and then I'm going to start the paella. Cup and 3/4 of water, which is what I need for these sidekicks. Mexican rice. Stir that around just to make everything wet. It's not quite level, but that's okay. I'm outdoors. Put a cover on that. There we go. Okay, that's boiling pretty hard there. Now for protein, what I've got are some shrimps, some turkey meat, about the amount that would be, I don't know, 3/4 of a cup, some chopped chorizo, some chopped chorizo sausage, and I've got some mussels here. So let's start putting that into the pan. Okay, so this turkey is already cooked. But if I was using chicken, I would use probably the meat from 2 chicken thighs. Chopped chorizo. Get in there, you. Half a dozen shrimp. I'll put the mussels on last because they don't take very long. The shrimp was a little bit frozen as well, so. Try to separate some of this chorizo. It's not separating very well. Oh well. It's all going to taste the same, right? Smells pretty good. Just going to turn the heat down a little bit. Spin the pan around. Here. Now put the mussels in there. Some nice fresh mussels. Oh yeah, I've got some peas and carrots as well, just for color. Cover that up and let the rice finish absorbing the liquid and let the mussels open up. Oh, I forgot. Got some smoked paprika I've got to add to that. Yeah, the mussels are opening up. And just some smoked paprika on top. There, now just let that sit for a while. Turn that really low. I don't want to turn it off because I don't want it to get cold. Wow, that looks good. Paella in the snow. Time to eat. Wow, how good does that look? Very good. Now the carrots are still a little firm. Those frozen peas and carrots. Probably should have boiled those ahead of time. But the rest of it, amazing. And that smoky paprika makes a big difference. I normally just use regular paprika at home, but I bought some smoky stuff for this recipe. Amazing. Now, paella is a Spanish word for frying pan. So, that's a little bit of a tidbit for you there. Well, I'm going to eat this plateful, pack up the rest, and head on back. I have to hang up some curtains with my wife tonight. So, till next time, this is Muskrat Jim, signing out. For more muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to click the bell to receive notifications of newly uploaded videos on this channel.